Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to recover your Google Authenticator account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type myaccount.google.com and hit on enter right now. Well, as you can see, this is my manage section of my Google account. Well, there are many options, but what we need to do is simply go to security. You'll find security at the left side of the screen. I'm gonna click on security right now, and something like this will open up. I'm simply gonna scroll down till I see something like Authenticator. Authenticator is right here. I'm simply gonna click on it, and this will open up. Right here is my Authenticator app, and we want to recover it. So let's simply click on change Authenticator app. It's gonna give you a QR code like this. Simply scan it from the Authenticator app on your new device, and let's click on next. Once you've scanned the QR code, a code will open up. Simply enter the code right here and simply click on verify. And after that, simply follow the prompts. It's quite easy. And then you will recover your Google Authenticator account. It's as easy as that. Well guys, that's it. That's how we recover your Google Authenticator app. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.